In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a domain in Hostinger. If you're setting up a new website, one of the first things you'll need is a domain name. Your domain is the web address people will type in to find your site, so choosing and adding the right one is an important step. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to search for a domain inside Hostinger and add it to your account in a simple, straightforward way. To begin, log into your Hostinger account and look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for your account dashboard. From there, click on Domains. This will take you to the section where you can manage domain-related options, including searching for a new domain name to register. Once you're in the Domains area, click on Domain Search. This opens the search tool that lets you check whether the domain name you want is available. In the search field, type the domain name you'd like to register. It's a good idea to type it carefully and double-check the spelling before continuing, especially if it's for a business, brand, or personal project. A small mistake here could lead to buying the wrong domain. After entering the name you want, review the results that appear. Hostinger will usually show whether your chosen domain is available, along with possible alternatives or different domain extensions. When you find the domain you want, click Add to Cart next to that option. This places the domain into your shopping cart so you can move forward with the purchase. Once the domain has been added to your cart, go ahead and proceed to payment. At this stage, you'll review your order details and complete the checkout process. Make sure everything looks correct before finalizing the purchase, including the domain name and extension you selected. When the payment is complete, the domain will be added to your Hostinger account. And that's it. You've successfully gone through the process of adding a domain in Hostinger. As a final tip before purchasing, take a moment to make sure the domain is easy to remember, simple to spell, and relevant to your website or brand. That can make a big difference later when people try to find you online. If you found this helpful, you can follow the same process anytime you want to register another domain inside your Hostinger dashboard.